Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have the TITS Sandwich, and now we gotta make the TITS sauce. What you want to do is start off with a half a cup of mayo, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, about a teaspoon of honey, a half a teaspoon of chipotle powder, and then about a tablespoon of old hot sauce. If you can't find chipotle powder, cayenne pepper works just as well. Then you just want to mix this around and let this chill out in the fridge for about an hour, at least. And now we're going to go to the salami, and we're just going to fry this up. Because remember, fried salami is absolutely delicious. It rivals bacon, but it's nowhere near bacon's equal. But it rivals it. So these will take about 45 seconds aside. Just go till you start getting some nice crispy edges on the salami. Trust me, you'll know it when you see it. Okay, let's start assembly of the sandwich. You want to take our TITS sauce and put it on both sides of our golden toasty bread. And then you want to add some turkey. This is just regular smoked turkey from the deli. And then some nice iceberg lettuce. And some nice on-the-vine tomatoes. And then some salami. And that's what the TITS sandwich stands for. Turkey, iceberg lettuce, tomato, and salami. What did you guys think? Oh, come on. Quit being immature. Anyway, time to put the two halves together. And then go in for the cut apart. Serve up with some fries that I seasoned up with a little bit of salt and pepper. And that's really it. TITS sandwich. Done. But of course, we're not going to leave without our close-up titty shot. I mean, that would just be wrong. All right, until next time.